Hey guys, what is going on? So in today's video, I want to show you how you can get immediate boost in your Google ranking when adding this. Google is planning to mark every website that doesn't have HTTPS, in other words SSL, with a big red unsecure marker, something like this. And Chrome and other browsers are going to implement this pretty soon, and this warning will affect every form on a website, including if you are selling anything. Let's say you have a payment gateway, it's going to affect your site. And if you collect leads, email and leads from your website, that's what I do, and it's going to affect your website. So businesses will lose leads and customers if they don't have SSL, in other words HTTPS. Let me show you what that is. So you see this HTTPS. So this is what you need on your website pretty soon. And like I was saying, if you are accepting payments from your website, you need SSL immediately, as soon as possible. And if you collect leads, email IDs from your form, you need this. And if you have contact forms where you collect your customers' details, you need this. So the bottom line, websites without an SSL certificate will be filled with warning labels, rendering them useless to business owners. So let me show you how exactly this works. So this is the latest article on Business to Community, um, and it says that by June 30th, so like in 3 to 4 months, your website will require to use the later version of SSL for secure communications payment. And like I've explained, if you're even collecting leads, you need this. That means if your site is using an old TLS version or SSL, then it will be a violation of this. So again, there's one more article here. It says that Google to punish websites without a secure SSL certificate properly installed. So if you're doing SEO, or if you have SEO clients, there is an opportunity for you. You can go ahead and pitch them the service and charge them whatever you want. So again, this is the latest article which says that Google will start. This is not a latest article, but the one I showed you before was a latest article. Now this article says that Google will start punishing an insecure website that do not have SSL. Now if we do a quick search for the keywords, let's say Italian restaurant, and you can see that the sites at the top have SSL, HTTPS. You see this? This is a very authority website, but this one is not, and you can see that it's ranking just below Yelp website, which has HTTPS. Now let's take one more example, chiropractor in Dallas, and as you can see, sites with HTTPS are ranking at the top. So now this is very important that you get this done. Now let's do one more search just to give you an example. Let's say plumber in New York. Oops, sorry about that. Plumber services in New Jersey. Okay. So seems like there isn't much competition for this keyword. Now if we do chiropractor in let's say Chicago, as you can see, again the sites with HTTPS are ranking at top. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to give you this quick update. If you don't have SSL or HTTPS installed on your websites, you need to fix this as soon as possible. Now, if you need any help with this, I can hook you up with the guy who did HTTPS on my site. He charged somewhere around $300 to $400 to install HTTPS on the website. So if you are interested, I have given a link to this form in the description. Just fill in your details and I'll hook you up with a guy who can install HTTPS or SSL on your website. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to get future updates about from Google. You know, if there's anything, if there's any update from Google, I'll update you on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can just enter your details on this simple form and I'll hook you up with a guy who can help you install HTTPS. Thanks, and you have a good day.